We are going to code dash to avoid sneak attacks from in front or from behind. You need a computer with a Chrome browser and go to the website code.makewonder.com. Brings you to a page that looks like this. Click on dash and dot. There should be some profiles set in your device. Just pick on your profile and let's create a new project. We're going to name it Scaredy Cat and click create. So here is Dash's neighborhood over here to the right. This is a virtual world for Dash. And Dash will do whatever we code him to do from the left. So right now we have when start, which is okay. We could start with buttons if we wanted to. That's a choice up to you. But what do we want Dash to do? We want Dash to sense an obstacle in front or behind and then move away from it. So we need an if button, an if block. So grab if dash sees an obstacle in front. And here it's saying this is how I get that obstacle in front. And that there's an obstacle in front, what do we want Dash to do? We want Dash to drive backwards. So grab a drive backwards, put in whatever number you want here. We're just trying to make this happen. Now, do you want Dash to make a sound when he, sees an obstacle in front? Well, let's grab something. Anything. Some weird beep sounds good. Lasers, gobble, buzz, I. There you go. That's kind of like I'm scared kind of thing. Now, that's just in front. What if there's an obstacle that comes up from behind? We don't want to get attacked from behind. So let's grab another if. This is not the only way to do it, but this is just one way. We got to click on obstacle in front and change it to obstacle behind. Click the forward arrow. And again, now we want him to drive. So drive forward though this time. And again, this number is not important. You want to change it, change it. You don't want to change it, you can also change the speed. Let's make a sound also. But I'm going to put the sound in a different spot. I'm going to put the sound first. And an uh-oh. All right. Now, let's run it. So if I click play, this is an obstacle in front, this is an obstacle behind, but Dash isn't moving. Well, that's because the code already ran. Computer code runs really fast. So we need a repeat button in here. Repeat block. So do you want to repeat forever? Do you want to repeat that block of code 3 times? Or do you want to repeat until we press a button? Let's repeat until we press a button. Now, I don't want you attached. I got to grab these ifs and put them all inside there. So grab those ifs, put them inside there, and then let's play this code. Now, if you look over here on the left, you see the green light flashing? That's when the line of code runs. So the code's running and running and running and running and running and running. So let's put the obstacle in front. Click the obstacle. He backs up. And he says something. Let's put an obstacle behind. Notice the slight difference. I mean, the order of your blocks matters. Let's just do a front again. And now we're done fiddling with Dash. So let's press the top button. And notice all the code stopped flashing. That means it's done. So, thanks for watching.